new 1.2 turbo uses direct injection, a low inertia turbocharger and water-cooled intercooler. Intense tumble effect ensures a fast fuel mix, giving a high combustion speed which helps to prevent knocking. The injection system produces multiple injections in each cycle. The injection spray is thin, wide and short to guarantee an optimized mixture. The new VVT IW system allows a delay of the intake valve closing, which enables the engine to operate in both Atkinson and Otto cycle. A new start and stop strategy was developed with a piston that stops halfway in the cylinder and stratified combustion at the restart. This ensures quick and smooth engine takeoff. Newly conceived dog dish-type curved pistons ensure a stable combustion in all conditions. Thanks to all this, the 1.2 turbo delivers an easy and comfortable drive, with high torque from low revs and better performance for lower consumption.